In this guide, I'll show you how to screen mirror your iPhone to your Roku TV or streaming stick. So the first thing you want to do is scroll down on the home menu and we're going to go to settings. Then you want to scroll over and we're going to scroll down again and you want to find Apple AirPlay and HomeKit. Now once you open this up, you'll see a number of different options. First, ensure that AirPlay is turned on. Then you can select require a code, and this is just the code that'll pop up on your iPhone or iPad when you're trying to connect to your Roku. So at this point, you can grab your phone and we're going to swipe down to the control panel and just ensure what your Roku is using for your Wi Fi is the same as your phone. Then go ahead and select the two boxes, which is screen mirroring. And from here, you just want to look for your Roku streaming stick or TV, and an AirPlay passcode will pop up on your TV. And you want to type that into your device, then press OK. And just give it a couple of seconds, and your iPhone or iPad should connect to your Roku device and you're now using it on your TV. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.